Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add text in Lucidchart. So for example, we wanted to add some shapes right here. For example, square, like that, and circle. Okay. If you want to make it bigger, just go ahead and do so. Just like that. Okay. Now, for example, we wanted to add in some text. Okay. As you can see here, these shapes right here already had some text. So what we're going to do is just double click on it and change it if you want to. For example, process A or B. Okay. And this one is process A, just like that. Now, if you wanted to add in some custom text, as you can see here in the left panel, we have the text icon. Now, what we're going to do in here is just drag it to the canvas itself, just like that, and double click on it to change the text. For example, this is my sample flowchart. Okay. I'm just going to click on it and drag it at the top, just like that. Now, if you want to change the text font, or if you want to make it bold, or the text size, all right. So just click on the text itself. Now go ahead and go to the top left. You can make it bigger right here. Okay. Just like that. If you want to make it bold, click on bold right here, italicized, underlined, and the text color. Okay. For example, I wanted to make it blue. Okay, beautiful. And here you have other options as well. Okay, for example, you have a table right here. The way to add a text, okay, is just by double clicking on a cell, double click, for example, A, double click B, C, D, and E. Okay, that's basically how you do it. Enjoy. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.